guys, welcome back to my channel. Today a very easy recipe. It's a yogurt cheesecake with coconut. I give you 3 different ideas of toppings. One is the honey and fresh berries, chocolate ganache, and a strawberry compote. I think you say compote. It's very easy. I love it, and even just plain, it's very good and super easy to make. I'm sorry for my voice, but I had a cold for the last 3 days and I feel like so congested, but I'm sorry, don't look at my nose. And it's very easy, everybody can make it. It takes like 30 minutes to make it, and then you just have to make it rest in the fridge. So I'll just leave you the photo and how I made it. As always, please put a like and a comment underneath the video, and if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to my channel. Thank you again and enjoy the video. Bye! So we're gonna start making the base of our cake. We need 250 grams of cookies. This one that I choose, I think they're Belgian, but you can use graham crackers or digestive, whichever kind you like the best. So you have to mix all the cookies together and make it a powder, and add 125 grams of melted butter. Mix everything together, and then I'm gonna take a 9 inches pan, and I'm gonna use a little trick here. I'm gonna put a little piece of parchment paper on the bottom and close it like you see here, so it's gonna be much easier to take the cake out without struggling. I'm gonna put all the mixture of cookie and butter together, press with a spoon, and make an even base for our cake. We're just gonna put it in the freezer. In the meantime, we're gonna prepare the yogurt cake. You need to make a syrup with 130 grams of sugar and 70 grams of water. You just put it on the stove, low heat, it just has to boil. In the meantime, I'm gonna take 500 grams of plain yogurt with no sugar. I usually use the one that I use for Elizabeth, my daughter, because they're perfect and I like it much better than Greek yogurt. I'm gonna just whip it so it gets smoother, and add 80 grams of coconut and mix everything together. In the meantime, we turned off the syrup because it boiled, and we have to add 14 grams of gelatin. Here I use this powdered gelatin that I have to be honest, I really didn't like because it made all the lumps in the syrup. But I didn't want to delete this part because I thought some of you could have the same problem. So I just used a strainer and used it anyway because I didn't want to throw it away. I like better the sheets of gelatin, they're much easier to use, but not as easy to find at the grocery store though. So I'm gonna add the gelatin with the syrup in the yogurt and coconut mixture, mix everything together and put it on the side. Now I'm gonna whip 300 grams of heavy cream in my KitchenAid. It doesn't have to be too whipped, you're gonna see the right consistency here in this video. And when it's like this, I'm gonna add it to the yogurt and coconut mixture you saw before. Just be careful because you don't want to undo what you just did with KitchenAid, so just mix it gently. When everything is mixed together, I'm gonna take back from the freezer the pan with the base we made before, and I'm gonna add all the yogurt and coconut mixture in it. I'm gonna level it and smooth it, and when I'm happy, I'm gonna put it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. I actually made this cake the night before, so it's gonna rest all night and it's gonna be much better to cut and easier to handle. In the meantime, here I'm showing you how I made the strawberry compote that I'm gonna decorate a piece of the cake with. I took 200 grams of strawberries that I cut in little pieces and 50 grams of sugar. I'm gonna put everything in a little pot and add a little bit of lemon zest because I love lemon with strawberries. Put it on low heat and let it boil for 15 minutes. Once it boiled, I'm just gonna put it in a container and let it cool down. After letting it rest, I'm taking back my cake. I'm gonna take it out of the pan. And here I'm gonna show you the 3 ways I decorate the cake. So the first slice is gonna be a very simple way because I'm just gonna use honey and fresh berries. So it's very easy, you have nothing to prepare before. It's stuff you find already in your house or maybe you can easily find in your grocery store, but it's very good. The second way, it's one of my favorites, is chocolate ganache. I love this recipe. I'm not gonna show you how I made it because I already showed you in another video that I'm gonna link you here and down below. I made it with 150 grams of chocolate and 150 grams of cream. So I'm just gonna put some on top and decorating with chocolate chips. These two, it's very easy and delicious, especially if you like coconut and chocolate together. The third and last way I decorate the cake with is with the strawberry compote we made before. So I'm just gonna put a few on top and add more lemon zest because I told you how much I love lemon. And that's it, that's the recipe. I really hope you like it. Let me know which way you like this cake better, and please put a like and a comment down here. See you very soon with a new video, and bye!